Today on Make Shape Create, we're making a knife handle. Feels good too. We're gonna make a knife handle today. I got this knife blank off of Amazon. Cost me like 20 bucks or whatever. I've used these kind of knives before in the past and I really like them, but I wanted to try and make a handle for a knife, so I chose this one. I think we're gonna use some of the leftover Purpleheart and Wenge and Padauk, glue it all up and go from there. So, let's get started. All right, so I'm at work and we need to get this thing flat. So, John's gonna let me use his planer. We're gonna try to put it through that. All done, nice and flat. Now we're just gonna take it to the shop. Plank's all planed, as you saw. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to trace out the knife handle. I think I want it to kind of go at an angle. I'm thinking maybe like it goes down that way and then it'll go down maybe the opposite way. I don't know, I figure out how to do that. I kind of want both to end up the same way, but yeah, I don't know. Let's start tracing them. Not sure if you guys can see them, but I think that should work. Looks like I got them even. So now, we just need to cut them out. So even though I had cut 2 of these out, I realized I only really needed 1. So I tried cutting both of them. This one turned out way straighter, so that's one we're gonna use. And double check, but this should fit pretty well. We just need to do some shaping now, it looks like. Stop. Flacker time. Sand down some of the high spots. Time for final coat of lacquer. And that's how we did it. Super happy with how this turned out. Really comfortable, lightweight, like, I like it a lot. Hopefully this inspired you guys to go make something that maybe you want for around your house. If it does, please tell us about it down in the comments below. There's going to be a playlist for you up here. Hopefully you like that. There'll be a video down there for you that YouTube's going to give you. I'm not sure which one it is, but I'm sure you're going to like it. And we will see you in the next video.